In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy chart in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know how to duplicate an entire chart layout. Save a community or published chart to your own account and quickly clone individual drawings. This is perfect when you want to experiment with new ideas without risking your original setup. Let's start with the most reliable way to duplicate your whole chart layout. Look toward the top right of your screen for the Layout Name dropdown. It's the menu that shows the current layout you are using. Click that dropdown, then choose Make a Copy. Tradingview will prompt you to name the new layout. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can tell it apart later. And confirm. You now have an identical layout including your indicators, chart settings, and any drawings you've applied. This is the best method for creating a safe sandbox where you can tweak timeframes, try new indicators, or change colors while your original remains untouched. Next, let's copy a community or published chart. If you come across a published idea or chart you'd like to explore, open it so you can see the full view. Look for the share icon on that page. Click it. Then select Make It Mine. This saves a copy to your account, allowing you to study how it was built and adjust it for your own workflow. Keep in mind that while the visual setup transfers, private or paid elements may not carry over, so your copy reflects what's publicly available. Finally, if you only need to duplicate a specific drawing like a trendline, a horizontal level, or a shape, you can clone it instantly. Click to select the drawing you want to copy. Then, on Windows, hold the Control key, or on Mac, hold the CMD key and drag the object to a new position. When you release, Tradingview creates a clone, preserving the style and formatting of the original. This is incredibly handy for building parallel channels, repeating levels, or laying out symmetrical markers quickly without recreating each element from scratch. A few quick tips as you work. Use clear naming for copied layouts so you can switch between them confidently. And consider making a dedicated experiment layout to keep your main workspace clean. If the interface looks a little different, don't worry, icons and menus can shift slightly with updates, but the options and wording are the same. That's it. You now know how to copy a full layout, save a published chart, and clone individual drawings in Tradingview. Happy charting!